Welcome to Systems Lab Sense Department, and our room number is FF15. Come, let us enter the lab, but before that we have to remove our footwear. You can see that here ESD safe slippers are there. You can wear it and enter the lab. For logging in, we have here three types of registers. You can see here, this is a login book for facility users. If you are using our lab facility like soldering station or CRO, you can enter here and use. And this is a logbook for facility users, that is outsiders. If you are using our lab facility and taking our components outside and you are using, you can enter here and you can take our components outside. And this is a logbook for lab members, that is for lab members they can enter here any components if they take, and they can use the components by entering here in this registers. So you can enter in this facility users book. This is the outer view of our lab, and if we proceed further, we have here a design and development area wherein we have PCB design tool and design tool. If we proceed further, we have here a bookshelf. You can see that there are many books. We have PCB designing book, electronic system design book, software development book, and power electronics book. We have subscribed for some of the magazines, and this is a view of it. You can see here. If we proceed further, we can see some more interesting things. Here, this is the outer view of assembly and test design area. This is a assembly zone. Come, let us proceed further. We have here a RoHS compliant lead-free soldering station, and this is an exhaust fan. You can use it when you are using for soldering station. And this is a light provided to the table, and this is a magnifier glass you can use for viewing higher magnification. And this is a desoldering station for desoldering the soldering things. And if we proceed here, you can see the outer view of testing zone, and this is a spectrum analyzer. This is a spectrum analyzer, and these we have variable power supplies and fixed power supplies. This is a variable, this is a fixed power supply, and this is a digital, and this is a variable power supply. If we proceed further, we have a high precision CRO, and these all are different kinds of signal generators. We can proceed further. Here is a characterization zone. This is a HP multimeter, and this is a SMU. And in this characterization zone, we can test and measure different kinds of sensors, pressure sensors, calibration and testing we can do here. And in future we can have temperature and humidity chambers that can measure both temperature and humidity. And this is a small setup of pressure test area. Now you can use the setup. You should always keep it in the mind that you should use the soldering station with the exhaust fan, because it is very hazardous to our human body. And you should keep it in mind that you should always switch off the lights, fan and everything. Once the work is done, you should keep the work area clean and tidy for the next users. Here, if we proceed further, we have here through-hole resistors. We have here through-hole resistors, and we have here high-power resistors. You can see them. And this is a through-hole resistor. And you can see here that we have different types of tools. Here we have different types of multimeters, and the manual provided it. These all are some of the tools. You can see them. And here you can see we have some chemicals. This is a liquid flux, and these are IP, isopropyl alcohol. It is a cleaning agent you can use for cleaning your solderings. And if we come beside of this, we have here a fire extinguisher. And if we proceed further, we have one more fire extinguisher which is there next to the door here. And we have here first aid box. Foods and beverages are not allowed inside the lab. It should be there within this area. And always when you enter inside the lab, keep your belongings inside this Always keep your bags inside this rack. And here is some more place where you can keep your bags inside. And we have our lab website here, that is here you can see that www.sense.isc.arnet.in. You can reach our website by going to infrastructure. Here is system infrastructure, here is systems lab. If you click that, you can see our website, and this is our web page. For exiting, you can make an entry in the facility users book. Thank you for using Systems Lab. Do visit us again.